Did you know that the average pool owner spends a staggering 60 hours or $1,500 per year on pool maintenance? That's precious time that could be spent enjoying that crystal clear water with your loved ones, and money that can be spent on more important things like useless AI gadgets. But what if there was a way to reclaim those hours without compromising on pool cleanliness? Enter the Beatbot AquaSense Pro, the robotic assistant that's ready to take on your pool care. For tech-savvy pool owners seeking the ultimate in smart home luxury, the AquaSense Pro presents an alluring proposition. The sleek, cordless device employs cutting-edge ultrasonic AI and an industry-first 9-motor system to meticulously clean your pool's floor, walls, waterline, and surface, all without you lifting a finger. Imagine basking in the sun and sipping a refreshing drink while a pool cleaning robot autonomously navigates your pool, leaving a trail of pristine, sparkling water in its wake. But the question is, can the AquaSense Pro make that dream a reality? Let's find out, starting with the unboxing. By the way, big thank you to Beatbot for sending over the AquaSense Pro and for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in picking up the AquaSense Pro yourself, I will have a link down in the description below. All right, as you open up the box, the first thing you're greeted by is the quick user guide and the full user manual, which you'll definitely want to keep handy. Then you've got the Beatbot AquaSense Pro itself. It definitely has some heft to it, so keep that in mind when you're removing it. But before we look at that though, we've also got the stand for the charging base. Then there's the charging base itself, which actually uses wireless inductive charging to juice up the AquaSense Pro. And there's also a retrieval hook, which helps with getting the device out of the pool. Looking at the AquaSense Pro, its sleek contours and glossy finish definitely hints at a cutting-edge tech product. The onboard controls, strategically placed on the device's front panel, allow for easy mode selection and operation, even for those who may be less tech savvy. Meanwhile, the wheels and tracks definitely give the appearance of a rugged machine that is ready to go to work. Beatbot also sent over the Clarifier Solution Kit, which is sold separately. You want to grab this as well if you want the AquaSense Pro to go beyond just cleaning, as this will make your water look crystal clear. You insert it right under this door on the front of the unit. Beatbot recommends charging the AquaSense Pro up completely before using it, and the charging base makes it simple. Once you've attached the 2 legs, you just place the unit upright into the base, and the lights on the front will indicate that it's being charged. Once you've got a full battery, it's time to put this device to work. So let's go do that and get into the features. The AquaSense Pro sports an AI-powered navigation system. Utilizing a sophisticated array of 20 smart sensors and a quad-core CPU, it charts the most efficient cleaning paths, ensuring no corner of your pool goes untouched. The ultrasonic AI technology also allows the AquaSense Pro to navigate around obstacles, making it an ideal choice even for pools with intricate designs or unique features. That said, the intelligence extends far beyond just navigation. With its dual propeller design, this is the first robot pool cleaner that not only takes care of the pool floor, but also the walls, waterline, and even the water surface. As the dual propellers create a powerful vortex, floating debris like leaves and insects are effortlessly captured, leaving your pool surface pristine and inviting. Of course, none of these advanced features would be possible without serious power under the hood. Boasting an industry-first known-to-drive 9-motor system, the AquaSense Pro delivers a staggering 5,500 gallons per hour water flow rate, ensuring even the most stubborn dirt and debris are no match for its tenacity. The extra long 2x2 roller brushes work together with the powerful suction, scrubbing and scouring every inch of your pool, resulting in a deep, thorough clean. But raw power alone doesn't guarantee efficiency, and that's where the AquaSense Pro's optimized cleaning patterns come into play. By following calculated S and N-shaped paths, it ensures maximum coverage with minimal overlap, reducing cleaning times and conserving energy. It's a perfect combo of power and precision, orchestrated by the device's advanced algorithms and sensors. Now, as impressive as the AquaSense Pro's cleaning capabilities may be, they would be of little use if the device couldn't keep up with the demands of larger pools. Unfortunately, Beatbot has equipped the device with a robust 10,400 milliamp hour battery, providing up to 9.5 hours of continuous surface cleaning or 5 hours of uninterrupted bottom cleaning for the pool. This extended battery life, combined with the device's efficient navigation and cleaning patterns, makes it an ideal choice for pools up to 3,299 square feet in size, which is huge. When the cleaning cycle is complete or the battery runs low, the AquaSense Pro automatically returns to the surface, parking itself above the water line for easy retrieval. This means you don't need to get in the pool to grab the unit, but it also allows for effortless water drainage thanks to the automatic water release system. It's a small touch, but one that you'll appreciate since you don't have to deal with getting wet when you don't want to. Now, throughout my testing, the AquaSense Pro consistently delivered on its promise of effortless, efficient cleaning. The device navigated the pool that I rented with ease, maneuvering around stairs and even a pretty extreme slope, as this was a diving pool. Watching it climb the pool walls and skim the surface was super cool, while also making you feel like you're getting that thorough cleaning that you'd expect. By harnessing the power of AI, advanced sensors, and a meticulously engineered cleaning system, the AquaSense Pro not only saves precious time, but also delivers excellent results. For those who value their leisure time and want a more hands-off approach to pool maintenance, the AquaSense Pro presents a compelling value proposition when compared to the roughly $1,500 annual cost of traditional pool cleaning services. Both in terms of time and money, the return on investment offered by this device is fantastic. By eliminating the need for manual labor and costly professional services, the AquaSense Pro allows pool owners to reclaim their weekends and enjoy their pools without that burden of constant upkeep. While the AquaSense Pro undoubtedly caters to those who appreciate luxury and cutting-edge technology, its appeal extends far beyond the realm of mere indulgence. The device's practicality and efficiency make it an invaluable tool for any pool owner seeking to streamline their maintenance routine and elevate their outdoor living experience. Whether you're a busy professional, a tech enthusiast, someone who loves smart homes, or simply someone who values their leisure time, the AquaSense Pro is poised to redefine the way you approach pool care, as it's the world's first 5-in-1 intelligent pool cleaning robot. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andru Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.